I'm with the very first camera, with my very first camera, and we would be performing the unboxing of this. I'm very excited to open this camera right now. It's the Canon EOS 200D. So I was able to purchase this box along with the add-on of the kit lens, which is the EF-1855 STM kit lens. And in the box, I have got the lens as per the description, the battery, then the charger for the battery, the connection cable, a 16 GB micro SD card, and here is the camera. So, and yeah, there's the camera strap as well. So let us first open the camera. Judging from the weight of it, it's a very lightweight camera. Does not even, I believe it does not even weigh more than a couple of 100 grams. The feel on this camera is very rich. It has a complete plastic body with some rubber edges for holding, which makes it looks premium. Along with the camera, we have a LCD screen, which is not only touch screen, but it is fully rotatable as well. So you'd be able to perform YouTube vlogging, which is the primary usage of this camera for most of the YouTubers. So let us insert the battery and start this camera up. Okay, so the camera is now ready. So now the camera is completely ready, and we will be starting with the setup process for this camera, and which will be included in a different video, of course. So before that, let us move on to taking a look at the lens that we have gotten with this camera. I'll just close this up so that it does not gather any kind of dirt or anything. So this is the lens that I got with it, which is a Canon IF-1855 lens. That's a aperture range from f4.0 to f5. I believe it's f4.0 to f5. Something 5.6, I believe. So this is the lens, and apparently I'm not able to see anything through this lens. Let us mount this lens on the camera and see how the complete setup looks. Okay, so now we are able to attach the lens, and with the lens it looks like a very premium kind of a camera. Cannot wait to go and start shooting on this. So the next video in this series would be for setting up the device and setting up the camera. We'll definitely be recording that as well and uploading to the channel. Till then, goodbye.